Hello you lovely computer scientists. Do you want to increase your efficiency in Python by reducing the lines needed for multiple inputs? But you don't know how. Well, let me show you. We can increase efficiency by assigning two variables with a comma-separated value, and then doing the same with the inputs. We will have two simple print statements to show what the inputs are. These increased efficiency inputs can still be assigned to have a specific data type too in just a single line. I will now demonstrate. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you want. Goodbye.